Welcome to CreaVe's, a brand dedicated to enhancing the quality of your life. We are a leading manufacturer of high-end sinks in China, dedicated to providing every family with a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living experience. Our main products include granite sinks and stainless steel sinks, which combine modern design with outstanding craftsmanship. Each sink undergoes strict quality inspection to ensure both durability and aesthetics. CreaVe's is headquartered in Zhongshan and has over 10 years of manufacturing experience and a production base covering an area of 50,000 square meters. We have introduced a complete set of automated production equipment and combined it with specialized technologies in the industry to ensure that every product meets international standards. Our products not only sell well in the domestic market, but are also exported to many countries such as the United States, Australia, Malaysia, and Germany. The quality and design of CreaVe's have won the recognition and trust of consumers worldwide. At CreaVe's, we regard our customers as partners. We share our passion with our customers, pay attention to their needs, and are committed to providing practical and long-lasting solutions to help them succeed in life. Choose CreaVe's to make every family's life more comfortable and wonderful. Follow us to learn more about our products and embark on your journey of a high-quality life.